Hello guys, welcome to a new week. This is Physics 2 class, and as you know, first we are going to talk about the value for August, that is self-esteem. Self-esteem is always getting better, okay? When you're smart, when you are beautiful, when you are capable, when you believe in yourself. Always getting better when you ask for help, why you don't understand something. You practice self-esteem when you say you're smart, when you study hard, and you're good at problem solving. You are beautiful when your difference makes you unique and beautiful inside and out. You are capable when you're not afraid to make mistakes when you try new things. So you have to believe in yourself and you have to build your positive self-esteem, okay? So continue with the topic. This week, we are going to review energy and its use for Physics 2 class. So, about history, the word energy derives from the ancient Greek energia. That means activity or operation, which possibly appears for the first time in the work of Aristotle in the 4th century before Christ. In contrast to the modern definition, energia was a qualitative philosophical concept broad enough to include ideas such as happiness and pleasure. In the late 7th century, Gottfried Leibniz proposed the idea of the Latin vis viva, okay, or living force, which defined as a product of the mass of an object and its velocity squared. He believed that total vis viva was conserved. So, what is energy? In physics, energy is the quantity property that must be transferred to an object in order to perform work on or to heat the object. Energy is conserved quantity. The law of conservation of energy states that energy can be converted in form but not created or destroyed. So common forms of energy include the kinetic energy of a moving object, the potential energy stored by objects positioned in a force field, gravitational, electric, or magnetic, the elastic energy stored by stretching solid objects to chemical energy realized when a field burns, the radiant energy carried by light, and the thermal energy due to an object's temperature, okay? So forms of energy, the total energy of a system can be subdivided and classified into potential energy, kinetic energy, or combination of two in various ways. So kinetic energy is determined by the movement of an object, okay, or the composite motion of the components of an object. And potential energy reflects the potential of an object to have motion, and generally is a function of the position of an object within a file or may be stored in the file itself. So some forms transfer energy from one object or system to another can be. Okay, here we have a table with type of transfer process and the description. So for the type heat, the amount of thermal energy is transited spontaneously towards a lower temperature on object. The type of transfer process like the amount of energy is transited due to a displacement in the direction of an applied force. And the last one, electrical, the amount of energy carried by matter that is moving from one system to another. So this is the some form to transfer energy from one object or system to another. Okay, so energy transformation in the universe over time are characterized by various kinds of potential energy that has been available since the Big Bang. Later being realized it transformed more active type of energy such as kinetic or radiant energy when trigonometric mechanism of is available. Okay. So why energy is ability to do work? Scientists define energy as the ability to do work. Modern civilization is possible because people have learned how to change energy from one form to another and then use it to do work. So people use energy to walk and bicycle, to move cars along roads and boats through water, to cook food on stoves, to make ice and freezes, to light our homes or office, and to manufacture products and to send astronauts into the space. Okay, so this is the different forms of energy used. Okay, on manufacture, the light of our house or fields or office, when we cook on or when we walk or be on the way by bicycle. So energy sources can be categorized as renewable and non-renewable. There are many different sources of energy which can be divided into two basic categories, okay? So these categories are renewable energy sources that can be easily replenished and non-renewable energy sources that can't be easily replenished, okay? So, how is energy used in the modern world? We divide our energy use among four economic sectors, okay? Residential, commercial, transportation, and industrial. Heating and cooling our homes, lighting office buildings, driving cars, and moving freight, and manufacturing the products we rely on in our daily lives are all functions that require energy. So how do we use energy, home and work? We use energy in homes and commercial buildings in similar ways. So when we keep rooms at a comfortable temperature, illuminate our space, heat water from bathing or laundry, and depend on computers, coppers, appliances, and other technologies, okay? This is how we use energy at home or work. So this is all, guys. Thank you for your attention. Happy week.